Nicely maintained ranch located across the street from the neighborhood park and close to the bases. Open floor plan, freshly painted throughout, vinyl plank flooring in the living area. Two-sided gas fireplace divides living room from dining room. Spacious updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances includes an oversized gas range, double-door refrigerator, dishwasher and separate wine cooler. Enclosed backyard with patio and storage shed. Attached one-car garage. No pets, no smoking/vaping allowed. Available immediately.